Introducing the all-new Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, a smartphone designed to push the limits of style, speed, and smart technology. Samsung continues its innovation legacy by bringing flagship-level features into the mid-range segment, and the Galaxy A57 5G stands as the perfect example of that evolution. The phone is expected to feature a brilliant Super AMOLED display with vibrant colors, ultra-smooth refresh rates, and a slim bezel design that gives it a futuristic look. Powered by a next-generation processor and 5G connectivity, the Galaxy A57 delivers lightning-fast performance for gaming, streaming, and multitasking. Its advanced triple-camera setup captures every moment with incredible detail, whether it's day or night. The design of the A57 5G speaks elegance: a seamless metal frame, glossy finish, and refined camera module inspired by Samsung's flagship lineup. The device also includes a large-capacity battery with fast-charging technology, ensuring that you stay powered throughout the day without interruptions. Running on One UI 7 based on Android 15, this phone is smarter, faster, and smoother than ever before. While this is a concept video, it showcases how Samsung could redefine mid-range innovation in 2025. If you're a tech lover, stay tuned for more upcoming smartphone trailers, leaks, and concept reveals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Creator RSH 4771 for more amazing tech updates and premium smartphone showcases.